All right, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host, Larry, and today I'm going to show you how to change your profile picture on Steam. Because, sure, you can edit your profile and all that jazz, but what if you really just want to update just your profile picture, because that's what people see of you? The answer is it's in the same place, which might seem a little bit redundant, but all of your profile needs are underneath the Edit Profile section. And to change your avatar specifically, you can go under the avatar section where you can see where your avatars that you've gained from collecting and making uh, card badges. You can also see your different frames that outline your picture. And currently I'm going for a lava lamp theme, and I didn't really see a good lava lamp profile picture. In fact, I could check. Let me go to the Steam Point Shop here, go under avatars, and let's see lava. Well, that's the frame. Relax. This other one that I have for lava lamps is considered a relaxing lamp. But I'm not really seeing it, so I'm going to have to make my own. I'm going to back up until I get back to the profile section. And I'm going to go ahead and go to my downloads. And amongst all this nonsense, I have a lava lamp picture that I'm going to grab. And it's going to upload that lava lamp picture, and then it's going to ask me what part of it I want to actually save. And I want that part in the middle. Apparently it works with my scroll wheel. I want mostly just the lava part. And then I'm going to click save. And boom, now I have a custom picture for my profile. You can upload pretty much anything you want within reason. Don't upload porn or something wildly inappropriate like a violent murder, because that will get flagged and it will get you banned off of the platform if it's bad enough. They also only support still images. If you want a fancy animated one like down here, you either need to unlock it from one of the games that you play and are collecting cards from and building badges, or you have to go back to the Steam Point shop. Steam points are acquired every time you buy a game on Steam, so you just kind of get them, and then you can use them to buy different animated profiles inside of here, along with like the frames that go around them. If you look here on my friends list, I've got an animated frame of lava around it, and I made like a lava lamp background just a few minutes ago that goes behind it. So you've got some options, but if you want it to be animated, it has to be picked up from the Steam Point shop underneath of editing your profile. That's it on how to change your profile picture inside of Steam. It's both a little bit less complicated than you think, but also more complicated. So have fun, make some cool artwork, express yourself, and I'll catch you next time. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.